Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of Valentine's Day nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this Bubble Bath Gel Polish by OPI. And I'm going to do her ring finger, her middle finger, and her thumb with this. And then we're going to go in with a La Palm Gel Polish in the color Dragon Fire. And I'm going to do the pinky and the index finger with that. Alrighty, and both polishes, the OPI and the La Palm Gel Polish, I did find at my local nail supply store, but I'm sure you can find them on eBay, so I will look for the link and I'll leave it down in the description. And I also want to mention that whenever I clean around the cuticle area to wipe away any excess nail polish, I do use a small brush. I believe it's an OPI gel brush and acetone to remove that polish, but you can use any small brush that you can find. And then I'm going to cure this hand for 30 seconds. And once again, I am using an OPI gel polish in the color Bubble Bath and a red gel polish by La Palm in the color Dragon Fire. Once again, I'm doing her ring finger, her middle finger, and her thumb with this pink, and then I'm doing the pinky and the index finger with the red. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and put the other hand under the light for another 30 seconds, and I'm gonna do a second coat on this hand. So as you can see, with a second coat we get a really good coverage. This pink is meant to be a little sheer. I didn't want it to be very intense, so that's why I went with this light pink, because I feel like it went really well with the red. So we're gonna just do a second coat. We're gonna cure them for another 30 seconds, and we're gonna move on to the other hand and do another second coat as well. Alrighty, so now we are moving on to the nail art. So I'm using my nail art brush, which I have on my website, and my website will be up and restocked on Friday, so stay tuned for that. But I'm using my nail art brush, and I'm using my black nail polish by La Palm in the color Little Black Dress. And then I'm just going to draw the L and the O on the ring finger and the V and the E on the middle finger. So as you can see, I'm making sure that my brush stays really clean. I don't want a lot of polish on it because I don't want my lines to be very thick. So I drew the letters first, and then I go back and outline it, as you can see here, just to make the letters a little bit thicker as well as a little bit darker. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna draw a little heart, and I'm using my same red polish by La Palm in the color Dragonfire. And as you can see with this little nail art brush, I'm basically just using it, or I'm drawing and writing these words as if I was writing with a regular pencil or a regular pen. So I'm not doing anything special. You just want to make sure you don't press down too hard, because like I said, you don't want to make those lines too wide. So just kind of draw with the tip of the brush as if you were writing with a pencil or a pen. Alrighty, so for the thumbs, I'm going to use my same Dragonfire by La Palm, and we're going to go from one corner to the center, and then from the other corner to the center as well. So we're basically just outlining the tip and making it into like a little triangle in the middle. And we're going to cure this for 30 seconds because this is the gel polish. Same thing for the other hand. We do one corner to the center and then go back and do the other side from corner to center. And then if you mess up, you could always use your little brush and your little acetone, or not little acetone, but your acetone, to go back and fix any little lines that are crooked or just anything. You could always go back and just fix it because this is gel polish. Now if you were using regular polish for this, you wouldn't be able to go back and fix it with acetone, but that is the good thing about using gel. You could always go back and fix your little mistakes. So now I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin to apply a couple of crystals, and I'm using my wax pencil. So I'm using a red SS12, and then I'm using my AB crystals in the size SS6 and the SS12, and I'm just going to apply them across the nail, and then I'm also going to apply some to the pinky and the thumb. Alrighty, and for the pinky, it's kind of like a little bow. So we do a red one in the middle, and then we do 1 and 2, and then we do 1 in the middle, and then 1 above it and 1 below it. Same thing on the other side. We do 2 small ones, or they're all small ones, but we do 2 right next to the red, and then we do 3 right behind those 2, so it make like a little bow. Alrighty, so remember, before applying your gel top coat, you want to make sure that you let that Mia Secret gel resin dry pretty good, because if not, it will drag down with your top coat. And that's the only thing about this Mia Secret gel resin. It will take a little bit longer to dry, but not too long. So now I'm applying my gel top coat by IBD, which you can find on eBay, so I'll leave the link in the description. So after we do this gel top coat, we're going to cure both hands for 90 seconds and we will be done. Alrighty, so this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. That pink and that red look so good together. So I hope everybody enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNailed32 and stay tuned for more videos to come.